Jain friends, today we have the newspaper of 3rd March 2025, 3rd April 2025. Start with the same news that the bill is making continuous controversy in the parliament, and today still we have debate over work bill after a long debate passed in parliament. Speaker cannot be indecisive on a plea over defection. Supreme Court. Court cannot tell a speaker how to decide, but can it not tell a speaker to decide within a responsible period? This is the direction of Supreme Court to the speaker. India braces for tariff on US Liberation Day. Factory output at 8-month high in March. Recovering in manufacturing was largely driven by contribution from the New Order Index, its largest subcomponents. CA gave citizenship to the thousands, say Rai Immigration and Foreigner Bill get are Rajya Sabha notes. Only left can counter Hindutva neo-fascism. CM will adopt new policy to issue PUC certifications to the vehicles from other state. New electric vehicle policy will be rolled out. Expansion of electric charging points. Bus depot will be prioritized, she says. Tamil Nadu adopt resolutions on retrieval of Kachaltu. AAP attack BJP day after court order FIR against Kapil Misra, asked why he is still a minister. Security tightened in UP amid tabling of Waqf bill, flag march in 50 districts. The ring of fire around Iran is tightened. West Asia is on fire again, with the Tehran dealing with diminishing strategic space, Israel growing more aggressive, and the Trump administration turning more hostile. Digital child abuse, the danger of AI based exploitations. The government of India must amend existing laws to address emerging threat. Timing and location. Yunus choose the wrong time and place to push for regional connectivity. Season of blister. Donald Trump is finding it difficult to negotiate with Putin on Ukraine. The reciprocal tariff dilemma. The best policy response to the reciprocal tariff would be impacted countries to remove barrier to doing business both internally and with their non-US trading partners. Gain, losses and politics in Andhra Pradesh. Third language choice. Hindi is non-Hindi state, Sanskrit in Hindi belt. Data hint that the Sanskrit and Hindi are preferred by default due to lack of supply and demand, even if they are not imposed. How did the Myanmar earthquake occur? Has there been a history of earthquake along the Senging Fault? Has the earthquake caused damage in Bangkok as well? How did Nabha eastern part of India avoid any damage from earthquake? What is the plate boundary in Southeast Asia in an active tectonic feature? The Myanmar quake was very devastating. They affected the entire region, left thousands of people dead and destroyed many homes. The damage zone extended of Bangkok, the capital of neighboring Thailand, which is about 1000 kilometers from earthquake epicenter. And many innocent people died due to this earthquake. The Swaraj of Chhatrapati Shivaji, the wise king, just rule. Army asked Pakistani forces to abide by 2021 ceasefire. Must offer conditional talk. Chhattisgarh say ready for dialogue but no condition. Two women must killed by an encounter in Kahana Park. Ahead of BIMSTEC summit in Bangkok, doubt persists over Modi-Yunus meeting. Navy seized 2,500 kg of narcotics in Indian Ocean operation. WAF bill a district attack on the constitution, Shia position. Ensure education, hygiene, healthcare in rural area, Supreme Court. Only Indian steel for government contract. Macrotech accused HOABL of trademark violation using fabricated documents. AI legacy, wide body aircraft get new looks. Over 30 kills as Israeli moves to size large area in Gaza Strip. Liberal win Wisconsin Supreme Court election in blow to Trump. Man rescue in Myanmar as a civil war hamper quick relief efforts. China drills stimulus strike on Taiwan port power grids. Top Gun and Batman star Val Kilmer die at the age of 65. F. Effervescent Butler helps Titans lords it over Royal Challenge. Bengaluru holds the aces over Goa after a thumping win in the first leg. All eyes on Saurabh as India begin champion. Impact players a tussle between evolution and a level playing field. Indian critical efforts to tackle air pollution could worsen warming. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.